Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It's Tuesday, January 24th, and here's a new integral of the day for everybody. We have an indefinite integral, x times e to the 2x over 1 plus 2x quantity squared dx. This one is spicy, so if you want to give it a try, pause the video. I'll already clue you in. You need to use integration by parts, but it is not for the faint of heart. So here we go. How to choose u and dv. It's not obvious. It took a little bit of trial and error. U is going to be x times e to the 2x. And then dv has to be what's left over, which is just all of this right here, namely dx over 1 plus 2x quantity squared. All right, now we need to find both du and v. When we find du, we're differentiating u, and I have to use the product rule because I have a product of two functions, x and then e to the 2x. So let's go carefully. I'm going to leave x alone, and then the derivative of e to the 2x is going to be 2e to the 2x because of the chain rule. Plus, now derivative of x is just 1, and then I leave e to the 2x alone, and then I have dx. I'm noticing also that both terms here have an e to the 2x in them, so I'll go ahead and factor that out. So e to the 2x times 2x plus 1 dx. That's my du. All right, now how to find v. Well, keep in mind dv is 1 plus 2x to the negative second dx, right? Good. And you might, depending on where your integration skills are, maybe need to just do this entirely off to the side. I'm going to just have you recall something though. If you're trying to anti-differentiate x to the negative second, you add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. So it would be negative x to the negative first plus c. Well, the same thing's pretty much going to happen here. It's just because there's a 2 in front of the x, I'm going to need to divide by 2 or multiply by a half. So the antiderivative here to find v would be negative 1/2 1 plus 2x to the negative first. And when we're setting up integration by parts, we don't put the plus c with v. And this is the same as negative 1 over 2 times 1 plus 2x. Now, if you don't see why we need that 1/2, then you can go ahead and do a full-on substitution, and I'll show you that here right now really quickly. So if you need to just say, okay, this antiderivative was beefy for me, 1 plus 2x to the negative second dx. Don't use u, let's just say let t equal 1 plus 2x. dt would be 2 dx. So 1/2 dt is dx. And then now this is just going to be 1/2 integral t to the negative second dt. So negative 1/2 t to the negative first plus c, negative 1/2 1 plus 2x to the negative first plus c. Which notice this right here is exactly what I had for v. All you need to do is just divide by that 2. Because of the 2 in front of the x. You have to undo the chain rule that occurs when you differentiate. Okay. Anyways, now let's get back on track. I'm going to copy all this loveliness below so we can continue the integration process. Ready? On your mark, get set. Let's go. So we have u times v. All right, u times v, it's going to be ugly. It's okay, power through. So negative x e to the 2x times, over here we're going to have 1 over 2 times 1 plus 2x. I'll rewrite it cuter in just a minute. This negative, I already put it out front here. Okay, so that's uv minus, and then we need v times du. All right, integral of that guy. Integral of, there's my du, let's just write that, e to the 2x, 2x plus 1, then we have dx. Notice there's a negative here, so that's going to switch to positive, over 2, 1 plus 2x. Take a second, everything's accounted for, it just looks frightening, okay? And then I'm going to put negative x e to the 2x in the numerator, and then just have 2 times 1 plus 2x like that, plus, now we have integral, and this is where the magic happens. That 2x plus 1 just cancels out. So lovely. And then we have e to the 2x over 2. Why didn't I just write 1/2 e to the 2x dx? And then hopefully you don't need to do any sort of additional substitution to integrate. So just leave that negative x e to the 2x outside. Whoop. 2 times 1 plus 2x plus 1/2. When you anti-differentiate e to the 2x, you're going to have to multiply by another half and then leave it e to the 2x plus c, and we're almost done. Negative x e to the 2x over 2 times 1 plus 2x plus 1/4 e to the 2x plus c. Beautiful. I think this was one of the trickiest, one of the spiciest integrals I've done thus far, just because it probably wasn't obvious how to pick u and dv, and then finding du and v was equally difficult. So, hope you enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to check out all the playlists with lots of lecture videos. I'm also making plenty of TikToks and posting on Instagram when I'm inspired, so follow me there if you like, at Math TV with Professor V. Take care, you guys.